Your AI agent needs a real number to dial from, and hunting through a phone carrier's console shouldn't be part of your day. With Vyroq phone numbers, it isn't. Head to the phone numbers page, hit buy new number, enter a country and an area code, and click search. Every result shows the real cost upfront. Monthly rental plus a per minute rate, no hidden markup. Pick one and confirm the purchase. Vyroq shows your balance before and after, so there are never billing surprises. Already have a number you love? Click add my own number instead. Paste it in E164 format, add a country code and an optional label, and hit add number. Our team verifies routing before the first. Outbound dial. So nothing breaks silently. Once a number's active, you'll see its status, its monthly and per minute cost, and its renewal date right in the table. Flip auto renew on or off with one click per number. Need to let one go? Click the trash icon, confirm, and it's released straight back to the carrier. That's your calling infrastructure. Sourced, verified, and fully under your control. Start yours free at vyroq.com. No credit card, 14-day money-back guarantee.